Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a backup fail on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If your system having issues, then Windows did not backup your system, then here are the fixes. And the first one is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major and minor issue of your system. So you must restart your system and check your system storage. It must be applicable. The second one is go to settings. Right click on a start button, choose settings, and from the left side go to accounts. Here from the right side go to your info, choose your info. You must log in with your Microsoft account to take a backup on your system. So you must ensure that your system has duly signed in with Microsoft account. To do so, go to your info and here scroll down and sign in with a local account instead. Means Microsoft account, you have duly signed in with Microsoft account. If you find sign in with a Microsoft account instead, then you will have to sign in with Microsoft account. The third one is right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type volumes services.msc. Services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here from the available list of services, look for volume shadow services, while volume shadow copy services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and click on start from the service status. If you found it in a stop mode, then start it and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Make sure that your system had sufficient memory to take a backup on your system. The third one is open control panel in your system. Here go to the system, look for the system, open it. Windows settings page will open. Here scroll down and you will find the option system protection. Click on it. A new window will open. Here system protection, go to system protection and at the bottom of the page you will find configure option. Click on configure and make sure that turn on system protection is checked. If you found it in off mode, then turn on system protection in your system. Finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Your backup failure error definitely be resolved. That's all.